Hi everyone, for this week's Cookalong I'm going to be showing you how to make cheese scones. For this recipe you'll need some milk, self-raising flour, salt, butter, mature cheddar cheese, and I've just lined my baking trays with baking paper and preheated my oven to 200 degrees. In my bowl I've got 1 cup of flour. I'm just going to add a pinch of salt, and then I need to add 1/4 cup of butter and then rub this in together. Once you've rubbed in the butter, then you can add 1/4 cup of mature cheese and just over 1/2 cup of milk, and then stir this together until you get a soft dough. Once you've got your dough, if you turn it out onto a floured surface and then just knead it really lightly until it all comes together. Once your dough's come together, you need to pat it or roll it out until it's about 2 centimetres thick. And then you need to cut your scones around about 5 centimetres round. You can use a cookie cutter, I haven't got one, so I'm just going to cut round the bottom of my glass and then pop them on your baking tray. And once you've got all your scones on your baking tray, just give them a brush with a little bit of milk and then pop them in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes until they're golden brown and well risen. Once they're golden brown and risen, then take them out of the oven, leave them to cool for a little bit, and then you can serve them warm with butter or top them with any of your favourite toppings. Enjoy!